Hello, I'm Saul from Websand, and today we're going to talk through how to create a message within Websand. So once you've signed in, if you select Messages from the menu at the top, you'll then enter the message screen where the history of all the messages you've created will all be in there, and then select New Message. Now with two different types you can create an HTML or text message and create templates in there, or you can pick from our drag and drop editor. We've got a few templates already set up in there, so let's pick one and create that message there. Let's give it a name to start with. So calling this one Making an Awesome Test Message, if I can spell. And the subject line is This is really amazing. Now, the first thing to do is to click on that little blue button. That will extend the length of the screen, which makes editing easier. And what you need to do to start with is select which table is relevant to this message. So we're going to pick customers. And now we'll go through the template. So we've got text, we've got an image, we've got some more text, and we've got a button. Now on the right hand column, this is where we can set the criteria and also which content we have. So we've got text, image, button, we've got a divide, and we've got social. We can also change the width of the message. We can change background color. We can change the default font. We can change the link color. So we've got lots of different things that we can configure. Put it back to Arial. And let's go into content here. So let's change this image, and we can either edit the image, we can change the link that we want it to go to, we can put padding around the image, lots of different things that we can do. So let's change the link on this so it's going to our website, websand.co.uk, and let's put an image in. So this is our image library here. So what should we do? Let's click on the Websand logo, pop that in there, and we can duplicate that, and let's change that to a GIF. Add a bit of movement to this email, and then we can start editing the content. So are your emails hitting the mark? Bash that in there. And then what we can do is drag and drop this around and get it to the point that we're happy with. So we can play with the padding. So just put in some padding around the image there. And we'll put some padding and width spaces around the text. So all this stuff's configurable. You can really have a good play with the message. Just add some more text. Websand is the quarterback for your email marketing. Add some cheesy content into this test message. Then what you can do is you can change the text, change your font, change the size of your font, change the width of the lines, all your standard editing type functionality that you'd expect is all built in within this email editor. So let's just finish off this cheesy test email. Let's add in some testimonials from one of our customers, and then let's put our call to action in. So you can edit the buttons. So here we're encouraging people to sign up for a demo. You can change the width in the column on the right. That's where you really can configure everything. There's loads of different options in there. So we're centralizing the button. A little tip, From an Outlook perspective, make sure you always set the line height to the maximum, and that'll make sure that your button looks as it should do in Outlook. So continue to change the text, make sure you're happy with it, move everything around. So just making a slightly stronger call to action here to link with that GIF. Target your email marketing and get a touchdown with every message. And I think that should pretty much be that. Add some padding, make sure we're happy with it. Now if you want to add some extra bits, then you can just you can add some extra structural elements. So we're going to put another block in there, and we're going to pull across another image into there, and let's add something else. So let's stick some customers in there. Very, very easy to do. Very easy. And then you can just move that around so you're happy, so it goes in the place where you want it to go. It's not quite right, so we're going to get rid of that. Put it back where it used to be, and let's save that. And there we go. We've created an awesome test message. Now if you want to see how this looks, all the templates are configurable. So if you just tap back in, extend the screen, and you can see how it looks like on a mobile. So you can do your little test there. And that's how it will look on a desktop. So that's just a nice little test that you've got, a little check to make sure everything's in the best shape that it can be. I'm Saul from Websand. For more details on how Websand can improve your email marketing and your customer engagement, sign up for a demo at websand.co.uk.